Hi, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to put product variant in Shopify. Here is the admin panel of Shopify. You have to go to products, and in products I'm going to create variants of this product. You have to click this. Now scroll down. Here you will find an option. This product has options like size and color. You have to check this checkbox. Now you can create the variants according to size, color, material, style. I'm going to put as a size small, medium and large. Small, medium, large. Click the done button. Now you can see the variant here. You can edit these variants, like I'm gonna select some pictures for this. If you don't have pictures here, you can add the image from here. I'm going to put some random pictures here. You can put the prices of each variant, quantity and everything you want, and after the editing you have to save this. Thank you very much for this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.